Alright, so today was the first day of class, August 21st. So the day started with programming in science, it's like programming class. But we didn't do much, it's just like introduction to what it is. And like I don't feel like I should prepare much because like it's like basic programming, I think. And everything that we're gonna learn is probably the easiest things about programming. Well, that's what I think. And I don't think studying much will help either because everyone's like very newbie or like never touched programming before. So then I won't study anything about that for now. After that I had calculus, so we just did high school reviews for factoring. We basically just only did factoring. There was like five ways to do factoring. The first being the most general, which is the GCF factoring, and then they did like this difference of cube, this difference of squares, or sums of cubes as well, and a few cubes and squares that we have to memorize, like 12 to the 2 is 144, like things like that, but like that you have to memorize also for cubes, because we're not allowed to have calculators for tests or exams, so I have to memorize a few bigger numbers for the cubes. And then we did monic expression, monic polynomial or something. It's when x to the 2 is basically the factor of 1 times x to the 2, which is x to the 2. Very basic, it's just new vocab. So yeah, some new vocabs in English that I didn't know because I was learning in French maybe. And then it was all just new factoring. Oh yeah, we also learned that sometimes the difference of squares could be twice in a row. So x to the 4 minus 1 could be a double difference of square that you have to do, so you can't just stop at 1. That's something to remember. And then we had English, which is just reading. The poem we read was like really hard. Like each sentence I did not understand. Like it's not normal spoken language. It's very difficult. Like way that they placed the words was a bit not natural to me. Like it was obviously a poem style. And vocabulary very hard. Like I didn't know maybe 60% of the vocabulary, and maybe not 60, okay, maybe like 40, yeah, 40, 50, like, but basically a lot, 2-3% is. And then we had mechanics, we had gravitational review, and F equals to G m1 m2 divided by distance to 2, and basically that's it. We'll do more practice questions for mechanics as well.